Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn Chinese with Duolingo. Now, if you want to learn with Duolingo and let's say you want to add a course or almost start again from beginning, you can just click on that and then scroll down to the course you want to add or learn. I'm going to learn Chinese. I'm going to press continue. Of course, Duolingo is noting this down. Hey Duo. It's usually not supposed to take this long to load, but I think my network is actually having a bit of issues. Okay, now you can choose whether you're learning Chinese for the first time or you already know Chinese. I'm learning from scratch because I have no idea of Chinese. So they will take me to Unit 1, Lesson 1.
Cha.
Cha. I'm hoping it's cha. And if you don't know any word, like you can just click the word and you say there right there. As you can see, they were T, so I just click on T.
Cha. Cafe.
Cafe is obviously coffee.
Cafe. 水. 水. Coffee. 水. 茶和水. 咖啡和茶. 咖啡和水. Shui和咖啡.
Of course, as usual, once you're done with a lesson, you will get these your total experience points. You're blazing your achievements for the time. It can be blazing, it can be super fast, it can be steady or anything, and then your accuracy.
Get more with Super Duolingo. Reach your language goals fast with premium features that optimize your learning. With no limits to the mistakes you can make and no ads. Super learners are 4.2 times more likely to finish.
And of course, you get rewards for finishing taxes, your daily missions, and others. So now you see Chinese and other lessons you are going to learn. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.